Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to give you a easy step-by-step guide on how to connect crypto to Koinly. So to get started with the easy guide on how to connect your crypto to your Koinly, so the first thing to do, which is the method I advise a lot, is to use the CSV file import, which is the best and easier method. So to do this, next thing to do is to export your CSV from your crypto.com, then open the crypto app on your mobile, then tap account at the bottom, then tap the transaction history, which is the clock icon on the top right. Then after that, tap the export icon, then choose the wallet you want to export. For example, crypto wallet, fiat wallet, or Visa card, depends on the one you want to import. Then after that, you select the date range between up to 3 years, then tap export to CSV and download the file. Then on step 2, you have to import the CSV into your Koinly. So to do this, you have to log in into your Koinly account. Then from there, go to wallet, then click on add wallet. Then after that, you have to search for crypto. So choose file import, which is the CSV, then upload your CSV file, then click import. And that's it. And that's how you can simply connect your crypto to your Koinly. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.